It starts with a heart that believes and a mouth that declares the message of salvation is near you, inviting every soul to find life in the name of Jesus. True worship isn't found on an altar of death, but in a life of devotion. Renew your mind and let your daily choices become a living sacrifice to the King. Love is the only debt we owe. In a world of rules and rituals, the law is fulfilled in the simple, radical act of loving your neighbor as yourself. The world calls the cross foolish, but we call it power. Where human wisdom fails, the humility of Christ triumphs, tearing down every stronghold of pride. You are sacred ground. You were bought with the highest price, and now the Spirit of the living God makes his home in you. Honor him with all that you are. Your season of life is a gift for his service. Whether standing alone or walking together, let your undivided devotion be the heartbeat of your journey. Knowledge may puff us up, but love is what builds the kingdom. Lay down your rights for the sake of your brother, for love is the greatest witness of all. Run with purpose. Strip away everything that holds you back and strain toward the finish line. For the prize waiting for you is worth every sacrifice.